Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. First of all, you must read GoTranscript transcription guideline. This will help you during the exam test. And you need to read all these transcription guidelines 1 to 2 times. This will help you a lot. After reading these transcription guidelines, you need to transcribe the audio test. I already transcribed audio into text, so let's move into it and check it.
Transcriber test at GoTranscript. This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
You know, you really should just accept the fact that the use of toothed wheels to transmit power or turn it through an angle was widespread in all cultures several centuries before the beginning of our era. I mean, everybody knows that in classical times they were already familiar to Archimedes, who was born in 287 BC. In China, actual examples of wheels and molds for wheels have been ferreted out dating from the 4th century BC. Now, these machine gear wheels are characterized by having a round number of teeth. 16, 24, and 40 teeth are known. Some of them have a shank with a square hole which fits without turning on a squared shaft. Another remarkable feature in these early gears is the use of ratchet-shaped teeth, sometimes even twisted helically so that the gears resemble worms intermeshing on parallel axles. The existence of windmills and watermills testifies to the fact that ever since classical times and through the Middle Ages, mankind, not to mention womankind, has had a general familiarity with the use of gears to turn power through a right angle.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So the Chinese escapement is justifiably regarded as a missing link, just about halfway between the elementary clepsydra with its steady flow of water and the mechanical escapement in which time is counted by chopping its flow into cycles of action, repeated indefinitely and counted by accumulating device. With its characteristic of saving up energy for a period of, say, 15 minutes before letting it go in one powerful action, the Chinese escapement is especially well suited to the driving of jackwork, and like some transcribers I could name but won't, require much energy but only intermittent activity. Now, you know, Su Sung built the final forms, so well known to clockmakers today. After many trials and improvements, this Chinese astronomical clock tower must have been a most impressive object. It looked exactly like the upright tower from the 16th trump or the major arcana card in most Italian-suited tarot decks. Unlike the card, of course, the real tower stood about 30 feet high with an observation platform on top, covered with a light roof, which must have come in handy during acid rainstorms.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. Before submitting this audio test, you need to apply all GoTranscription guidelines into it, because I cannot apply GoTranscription guideline into this audio test. So this is the audio test for today. I hope this audio is helpful for you, and also please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.